I'll be showing you guys how to cheat in Ironman mode. The achievement we're going to be going for here will be Team America. SUSA drop a nuclear bomb on Paris. So we're going to go to our single player game. We're going to go to the new game, to select whatever one you want, but we're going to play as United States for this example. We're going to start the game as in Ironman mode. We're going to save the game, save and play. And now that we're in the game, we're going to exit to the menu so it saves. And then we're going to copy the save and put it somewhere else for now. I'm just going to put it in the directory before the save game directory. Anyway, so we're going to start a new game and then select the United States again for this example. And we're going to select this one without Ironman mode activated. So we're starting the game in just a normal way. So we're going to save the game now. And we're going to replace the Ironman save. And then we're going to exit to the main menu. Now, we're going to grab the save we had before, the actual Ironman save that we copied, and we're going to move it back to the save games folder, and we're going to overwrite our fake Ironman save. Now here is a crucial step. Do not click load and select the next save, select our recent save. You want to click continue. As you can see now, we can use the console. It says achievements are not available, but they are. So we're going to do the nuking of Paris as the United States. So we're going to go to here and click allow or nuke debug. Sorry guys, I forgot the command. Nuke? Yeah, nuking. There you go. And then we're going to just click the drop a nuclear bomb button. Give it a minute, we're going to speed up time here. And as you can see, well, we got two achievements. We got Destroyer of Worlds and we got Team America. Thank you guys. See you next time.